Good morning, everybody! Hi, this is Woggy live from Berlin, Germany. There you can see our famous TV tower. And today we want to make poached eggs for breakfast. Yes, that's right, a recipe by Joff from joffmobile.com. Vancouver, BC, Canada. These are organic, bio, double organic eggs. And I'm too tired to open them. Beautiful eggs. Good morning, eggs. Good morning, Woggy. And we've got a glass cup, a bit of water, a paper towel, and a microwave, and a trash can. We crack the egg. Into the cup. Haha, and throw away the shell into the trash can. And then we pierce the egg carefully. We add a little bit of water. It is cold water to the egg. And then the paper towel. And there we go. And Joff says that the paper towel will prevent the microwave egg explosion from being too terrible. Let's hope that he's right. Must be careful because the paper towel has escaped. The egg is almost ready. Put it back. Let's see. Well, there is the poached egg. And there we've got a German bread roll, fresh from the oven. Wake up, little bread roll, wake up. And now the egg, so it is like a McDonald's egg McMuffin. For breakfast. And now we take the first bite. Yeah, very good. I forgot to add the salt and the pepper, but I like it anyways. Try this, everybody. You cannot fail. Bye bye for now. And thank you very much, Jeff from Vancouver, BC, Canada, for the recipe. Wake up, little Woggy, wake up, do 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 do.